you doing, Bonbon, huh? What is up, guys, and welcome back. We are back out here at Hunt Camp, trying to fortify the place, trying to basically fend off the intruders, trespassers, and thieves that broke into the cabin. Third time in, I think, 40 years of this place being here if somebody broke in. Luckily, this time wasn't so bad. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to the previous video where basically when it all kind of took place and all that. But yeah, we're back putting up cameras, putting up signs, putting up a gate, and we're gonna do some improvements to the actual cabin itself. There she is, all her glory. She's under siege, guys. She's under siege. If somebody really wants in, they're going to get in. But we can definitely make their lives difficult if they decide to try and come back. Comment below if you guys are liking this kind of content. Probably going to be creating more and more content around here. There's actually some good lake stuff around here, too, to fish. So, yeah, stay tuned. It always looks like you do all the work. So I gotta hold the camera when I'm filming. Don't have to be plumb. Just gotta be good. How do we make it impenetrable? Huh? How do we make it impenetrable?
I don't think you can.
We should build like a stone wall right here. Just gotta send it, Jake. Just hang the gate. So they don't know where the booby traps are. Nope. We gotta make sure Dave knows where the booby traps are.
The post's so tall, they won't be able to lift the post over it. We'll wrap the post.
Where are we putting the hole with all the spikes in it?
I don't know. We're gonna f all these threads up on purpose, though.
Yeah. Got the gate on. It's dark now. Bringing it back to camp. Still got a bunch of stuff I gotta carry in. Gotta make some food. Then we might. I think we're building a bunk bed up in there too. What you think, Bonbons? Huh? What you think? Dude, our light works good, man. I'm happy with that. I was just worried it wasn't on, but then I forgot it was motion. Like, had a lot. That thing's bright.
That's pretty good.
Oh, yeah, the old security lights look pretty good right there. Cooking up some food. Bonnie's napping. Nobody's tried to break into the door since we've kind of fixed it and reinforced it, so that's good. Still need to do something about this here. We're gonna fill that in somehow, put another steel plate on this side. So Jake's in the other room over here. We're gonna be building another bunk bed in there just because we kind of want comfier beds, since we're gonna be spending more time here now. I'm turning the cabin into a freaking fort.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna build some serious bunk beds that are definitely gonna be better than any of the other bunk beds in here, and everyone's gonna be super jealous, and Jake and I are gonna have the coolest room. We're gonna build the bunk beds like right here. We gotta get this. I'm scared to take this nasty thing. You know there's gonna be stuff living. There's gonna be stuff living behind there, dude. Terrible, like, we don't have a shop vac or nothing.
That's why I brought that other.
Oh, we gotta play darts. Man, we could play darts.
Oh, I asked you to buy darts.
I did. We can throw knives at it. It's still kind of cold in here. We might have to get this other fire rolling. I'm ready to eat. I gotta eat before we start working, man. What are we doing? Oh my God. Have you seen this? Does Dave know this? We might want to fix his up a little bit for him because I don't think he's got...
some plywood scrap we could,
Yeah, well, come look at this, Jake. I don't know how these haven't sheared off. We gotta make some improvements. I gotta get some grub first, though. Cooking on these is not that easy. It's just the heat kind of just radiates out more than it goes up for some reason, which is, I guess that's what these are for. I mean, we don't even have it's open. You'd think that would get really hot, but it really isn't. Yeah, we gotta get this thing out of here, and it seems like there's 1,000 hidden screws in it. Bottom. It legit might be the spray foam. How far are those things? Oh my God! You better take a
piece.
Yeah, never know. Might be out there. I was gonna say if you need me to fire 2 shots, but then I was just like, well, if I hear any shots, I'm just gonna assume you need me.
Yeah.
Get him, Jake. I'll be out if I hear shots. Got my glizzy right here. We gotta get this out of here. Then we're gonna build 2 of the most magnificent bunk beds you've ever seen. Well, actually, technically just 1 bunk bed, but 2 beds. You know what I mean? We're gonna build the most magnificent bunk bed you've ever seen right here. Jake and I are gonna have the nicest room in the cabin, which there's only 3 rooms, so it's not saying much. Then we're gonna take all this cheap paneling out. We're gonna replace it with T111, and we're eventually, probably tomorrow, gonna get in here. There was some water damage here a few years ago that it was kind of just covered up and never really dealt with. We're gonna get in that, get that all cleaned out, get that all fixed. We're making the cabin great again. That's the plan. I'm really concerned on what's gonna be back here. There's probably gonna be some mice, maybe some raccoons. There's definitely gonna be stuff going on back behind this. Maybe a couple possums. Who dat? Running any problems out there?
I must fire 2 into a tree just to get you running out there.
Dude, I would have been running. I really would have just came out there. Oh my God, pull it back. There's some vermin. There's some vermin back there. That's the most roaches I've ever seen in my life.
What would they even be doing?
Living.
What are they eating?
Everything. Oh no, dude. I don't even know if I can see him on here. He's freaking roach. Dude, there's like eggs and everything from him.
What do we do about that?
We don't have the... Oh, no. We've opened them up. We're going to be dealing with roaches all night. Jake. What do we do, buddy? We don't have the fucking... We're going to have to make a run tomorrow and get some freaking... Oh, no. They're all coming out. Ah! Look at them all.
They're just shrugging off my boots.
Ew, we slept in here with those. Dude, that's where your head would be.
I'm gonna sleep in here again with them.
Bonnie, get them. Get the roaches. Dude, that's the most roaches I've ever seen. That's an infestation. That scares me because there's more of that going on. It's not going to be the only spot roaches are. What do you think about that?
That bumps me out a little bit.
I mean, what were we expecting, though, honestly?
Not roaches.
I figured it'd be some mice.
Yeah, I don't know.
What do we do now? We need some traps.
Let me see if we got some,
We need some bug bombs, dude. Let's just board that off. We're just going to board that part of the cabin off. We're done with it. All right? Our new bunks are going here. Just board that off, buddy. We're going to use the plywood you got to just board that off, and we're just never going back there again. All right? I'd rather get in a gunfight with the intruders than deal with that right now. You hear me?
That's not what I was hoping.
I'm not even kidding. I would much rather get in a gunfight with the trespassers than deal with that.
What if we spray them with rem oil? You think they'll die?
That won't do anything. It'll just oil them up. Well, you found some wasp and hornet spray from the 80s. I don't think that's going to kill roaches.
Oh, we got tent caterpillars, scorpions, and ants.
Hey, but if you can kill a scorpion, then it might be able to kill a roach. I don't know. Comment below if you guys think this is going to kill roaches. I'm not. It says scorpions, which that's kind of impressive. I'm pretty bummed. I would have rather seen mice back there. Wouldn't you?
I'm not happy about it at all.
You know what's really bad? Because, like, you know what's going to be behind that paneling in there, too.
Oh, yeah.
It's just going to be roach. This is the original siding. Mm-hmm. So they were probably already, like, in this shit when they built this. Like, it's just generations of roaches, man. This is more their home than it is ours, if you think about it.
Yeah.
I don't know why roaches creep me out. Like, I'd have rather that been 1,000 spiders. I'd have dealt with that better. Bonnie's bummed about it, too.
I don't know what the fuck to do now.
Look at that stain, dude. What do you think's going on with that? We're gonna get to bed here soon. We just ate. I'm actually still making ramen on that because it takes so long to cook on that stuff. We're gonna get to bed soon and get up tomorrow. Try and tackle that. We're gonna have to go get some freaking roach spray or something. So that's gonna be interesting. Where they're gonna get you? We're going into the forbidden room that we were gonna just seal off from the world. They're probably scattered everywhere.
There's one right there.
See, like they're coming out.
Let's just see what this does to it.
Get them. What'd he do?
He fell.
Oh, they're not there. There's nowhere near as many as there were earlier.
Spray that shit in the corner.
I don't even think it kills them. Jake, where'd they go?
I don't know.
I don't like that they're not there. I don't like that they're not there. There were 30 of them there last time. You disturbed them. I'm scared. Well, they're not there anymore, so I don't know what to do.
They're in the walls now.
They're probably out here with us. Jake, what we got here?
A little bit of wood stove bannock.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Man, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Why did it cook so good? We couldn't cook for shit last night. You burnt it.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's still good, though. So it's the next day. We're going to eat some breakfast. Then we got to go hang a bunch of signs. Probably going to cut some wood.
And then fight the cockroach army.
And then we're going to fight the cockroach army. I'm not looking forward to that at all.
It's going to be fun.
I'd rather have this place be, like, possessed by demons
Cockroaches?
than deal with this. Why was this ever here? Well, you got that drawer, too. Ow! The tree. Bonnie, we're gonna make a big fire, Bonnie. We're gonna make a big fire. We're gonna burn some shit. Kind of sleety and nasty out here. I got ice all over my car. Look at that. That ain't good. Oh no. Left the saw out. Oh man. What'd I do that for? How much is too much? No, we want big fire. Big fire. Big fire. Oh god. Yes!
Make it to the rest of the area.
Yeah. Want to play some 1v1? I think cockroaches are holding on. They're having a bad time right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit! Whoa. Okay. What you doing, Bonbons? Huh? What you doing? Where's the dog at? Bump on, you're gonna hang out at the cabin by yourself. You gotta be a good girl. You gotta be a good girl. Got the signs. We're gonna post these up everywhere. We got other freaking posted signs. We got camera signs. Fucking put up cameras and signs everywhere. Well, we gonna head out into an ice storm and try and get something to kill roaches with. The nearest town's how far? Like 20 minutes, 30 minutes? And it's not much of a town.
What do you think? They check in, but they don't check out.
Is that what it says?
Yes.
That's awesome.
We're getting a couple of those. What do we got here?
What is that?
Kills in hours up to 3 months. Roach killing gel.
Oh, eat it.
Kills the nest.
Got a bunch of roach stuff, roach killer, and then on the way out, Jake found freaking 3-film collection, Lord of the Rings.
For $10. That's a score.
That is a score.
It's the theatrical version, so it's not,
It's
not
like
the greatest, but still good.
That's an entire like day of fun, pretty much. Put up some signs. Yeah, one problem is people might be so dumb they can't read. Keep out. We need to figure out where we want to put the camera. We need to put a camera like right up in that tree.
Like right here?
Yeah. I want to make a sign so like violators will be shot in the face. Mess with us, we'll put up signs. We did a pretty good job on the old Gatester though, you know? Call it the tramp camp.
The tramp.
Make the logo look like a shitty tattoo. Yes. This one and this one. Okay. It's like smile, mother. Bonbon, good girl. Poor tree honestly needs cut down, but now when somebody comes up, it's the first thing they're gonna see, Jake. Come up and be like, dang, that light's gonna turn on. They're gonna be like, ah, they got me. Bonbon, were you good? Did you not tear anything up? Hey, we kind of got some shit done, Jake.
Make it all nice. Clean all the shit out. Treat for roaches. I'm gonna pull 2 outlets off of that light.
Yeah.
So each of our beds has its own little outlet box.
I like that.
And I want to run like Christmas lights or something around the corner of the room.
I like that. Okay.
So at night we can turn that light off and just have like Christmas
Have a
lights.
night light. Can we put in a skylight?
No.
Oh. Okay. Where's the jacuzzi going? Back in there? All right. Roach! Roaches.
Yeah, that's like a...
What are those? Bring all that stuff there. And that should, that's supposed to kill the nest.
Yeah.
So eat that, take it to the nest, everybody will eat it and die. We're gonna put that stuff everywhere. Then we're gonna basically like re-side all this. Like just put some more T111 up. We're gonna frame out the bottom, kind of hopefully trap them all in. Gotta figure out what we're doing up there.
Where do you get that? Huh?
Spray foam is never the answer. I know that. Jake and I are actually gonna be sleeping right here. So yeah, here's the nice new T111 that we're gonna put up just to kind of make it feel like it's not disgusting over here. Gotta get all this off so that we can put it behind that. We're gonna frame it all in, and it's gonna look decent. The only problem is like it's not gonna go clear to the top, but we're probably gonna slap some plywood up there too, just to kind of make it look good. We'll trim it all out. It's gonna look. You're not gonna feel like you're sleeping on the roach motel, even though
it's there.
Yeah. Looking very suburban. Oh yeah. Right there. Oh yeah. Putting their little roach motel in here for them. Getting the old bunker bed skis hung, you know. It's gonna be nice. Look at it. Doesn't look like we're living in a dungeon. Kind of got it nice and good looking. Hopefully the cockroaches just stay in there. Don't bother us. Feet that way so they can nibble on our toes.
I'm probably gonna put my head this way.
Really? You want your head up in there, huh?
Yep.
Oh yeah. So I was saying this would have been the top, so that would have been. So you want higher than that. Oh.
Gotta get down in here though.
Well, it's okay. We'll get her. Let me get up there and see how it holds me before we nail it. You ready? Are you scared? You scared about this?
Yeah.
Should I take my boots off or just send it?
Too bad.
Oh boy. Oh boy, it's creaking.
Solid?
I think so. That looks disgusting.
You're probably gonna end up figuring
I don't want to look at any of that.
Don't keep like that. Then you can turn the light up. How's that? Is that better?
Can you make this less scary up here for me?
Like a little kid. Can you make it less scary?
Get up here and look. Let's look up into there. See, it feels like something's looking back at you. Like that hole over here, right in the crease, right where your head lays. I think something was staring back at me. Jake, looks pretty dang good. We hit all the scary stuff. It's not bad, buddy. Got the Latsky. I think I like it. That is going to wrap up this episode. Again, comment below if you want to see more content like this. Going to be spending a lot more time out here at camp. Going to continue to fortify this place, improve this place, try to keep the trespassers / intruders / thieves, whatever you want to call them. We're going to try and keep them away from this place. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.